Welcome to Southern Medical University, one of the top medical university in China. Welcome to Southern Medical University, one of the top medical university in China. The global rank of Southern Medical University is around 450th, and Southern Medical University is situated in Guangdong province and Guangzhou city. So in this video, I'll tell you about Southern Medical University, and we will just have a tour around how does university look like, how does the field area look like, how does the gymnasium look like, how are the classes. We will just have some chit chat with students studying here as well, and we'll just see the infrastructure of Southern Medical University as well. So if you plan to study in Southern Medical University, you may have a better understanding. So what kind of university are you going in? So telling you more about Southern Medical University, it was established in 1951, and right now it has been more than 73 years since its establishment, and currently on campus there are more than 19,000 students studying here. And among these 19,000, around 13,000 students are for undergraduate programs, and remaining students are for masters, their PhD, and for other departments. And in this university there are around 1,000 international students. So telling you more about this university is MOE listed English medium university. It's recognized from WHO, PMDC, ECFMG, MCI, FAMIR, Iranian Medical Council, and all other affiliations. So let's just move forward and see how is the Southern Medical University. And telling you more, Southern Medical University has around 11 affiliated hospitals and 2 campuses. This is the one campus in which international students study, and this campus is all about medical department. Okay, so let's move forward and see what do we find here for international students. Let's go. This university is MOE English medium listed university, which means that if a student decide to study in Southern Medical University, then the study medium of this university is English medium. Okay, and one more thing, I apologize in the beginning because I just found out that my mic isn't working properly. So just use some headphones and sit in a quiet place. My voice may have some distortion in near ahead. Okay, so please don't mind. Okay, and if you have any questions, and if you need to have more information about Southern Medical University, just feel free to contact us, or just feel free to mention in the comment section. Okay, so let's have a tour of this university now. This is the teaching hall of Southern Medical University, and inside this building all international students have their classes. So we will go inside and see how does classes look like, and where would you guys sit to have your classes. Let's go. So these are the classes of Southern Medical University, and see there are desks, chairs, and you guys can just sit here. And here in front is the green board and the control desk. So see, there is insulin, glucogen, snake, inflammation. So I think teacher was teaching here about diabetes or any other disease related to that. So come here, let me show you the control desk. So this is the control desk, and here are like mic. This is the mic. If any student is sitting at the last and he or she isn't able to hear the teacher, so teacher would just use this mic so that every student can hear whatever he or she is saying. So let's see what else is there. This is the control desk for projector as well, and see, this is the projector. Okay, this is the projector, and if you guys need to give any presentation or you guys have to show anything on slides, or if a teacher needs to give any presentation, or any other teacher needs to teach you about any other topic, so they can just use this projector and the green board. Okay, so classes are very nice and comfortable and cozy, and the temperature is quite reasonable, like it's neither too cold or neither is too hot. So I have also seen some self-study centers, not study centers, self-study centers, where students can just go and do their homework or can just study about any topic. So let's go to see the self-study centers of Southern Medical University. Okay. So the building is very nice, it's very neat and clean. So I'm just loving this place. Okay. This is a self-study center which I was telling you about. See, if you guys want to sit in the classroom, you can also do that. But if you guys want to use this self-study center, you can use this as well. So there is a vending machine, and see, this all building is related to study, like classrooms, self-study centers. These are the washrooms. And see, this is another classroom. There is not any class, but still students are sitting around and just studying themselves, doing this self-study. There is another class, MPH Diversity. Very nice. Okay, let's move ahead now. This is the library of Southern Medical University, and you can see how nice it is. This is the reception center. You can just swipe your student card there, like where you can see the red lights, and you guys can just come here, sit around, do your study, and even you can use a library's PCs for self-study. See this. And I just saw some boards here as well for your self-study. You will see some Chinese people sitting around and doing the study. See, this is so calm and quiet. So if you want to study, you can utilize this space as well. See, these are the pods, so that nobody from outside may disturb you. This is all the library section, and it has a lot of floors, and we are on the first floor right now. Okay, so let's go to another place and see what else is here. This is the canteen of Southern Medical University, where you guys can just come and have lunch in your break time, and even can have dinner whenever you guys are free from the class. So let's just go inside and see what we can find there. See, this is the AI board, and I don't know how you guys can use this, but it's there. Okay. There is also a small supermarket inside, where you guys can buy drinks, ice creams, chips, and even drinks as well, like water or mango, apple juice, like whatever you want. So right now this is not the break time, so you guys don't see any rush here. But when it's the break time, or when students are here for lunch or dinner, if you guys won't even get a seat for yourself. Okay, so just see around what you guys can find here. This is stir fried rice with rice. This is Cantonese baking, which is a signature dish. This is the recommended one, like stir fried rice with rice. And there is also a fast food restaurant inside. So let's just go there. This is a fast food restaurant which is located inside the canteen of Southern Medical University, and the prices here are very cheap, like 9 RMB for one burger and 7 RMB for fries, 7 RMB for nuggets, and 7 RMB for chicken corns. So see, this is very neat and clean. This is the menu. So you guys can just buy from here or any other restaurant and just sit here and enjoy your meal like this person is doing. See, he is eating some fast food, and there is also sofa sets there on the side. Let's see, he's working. And so this is the canteen of Southern Medical University. Okay, this is a supermarket of Southern Medical University, and you can buy anything you want like this. These are the stationery items, these are the detergents and different kind of lotions, these are tissue papers, and everything you can buy like shampoo, soaps, whatever you guys. These are the detergents like for washing clothes and washing your floors. And this is a complete big supermarket. Like these kind of supermarkets you may find in Carrefour or Wanda. So these are the milk category, like dairy products, like Swan you call it, yogurt, milk. Like you can find anything you need. These are the cooking oils, these are the fruits, and this supermarket is inside the university. Okay, this is the seafood, like these are the crabs and fish, there is beef and chicken, and here are the vegetables, like this is cauliflower, tomatoes, and brinjal. These are cucumbers, like, and this is garlic, ginger, everything you can find it from here. And this isn't too much expensive, like these are the very reasonable rates here. These are eggs. So you may find everything inside the university campus. So let me show you another part. This is the gym, and this is called the doctor's gym. Like this is paid gym. You have to buy the monthly subscription or 6 months subscription or annual subscription for it. And moreover, I also saw a bakery there, so let me show you. These are the dry fruits, and this is another stationery shop. Like you can get ballpoints and photocopy. Neha, so let's see bakery there. So if you have birthday or you just want to treat yourself, you can go to the university bakery. This is the university bakery. See, you can find bakery items here. Like let me show you from inside. And Chinese bakery products are very delicious. So if you like bakery items, you may find it fascinating. And these are the shoes. If you want to buy shoes inside the campus. These are the glass shop. Like if you want to buy glasses or just need to check your eyesight, you can check it from here. If you want to buy some clothes, you can buy it from here. Like this is a very big supermarket, and there is an ATM machine of ABC Bank there. So guys, you can find everything in Southern Medical University, and all this is in front of the lake of the university. Okay, this is the field area of Southern Medical University. In China, whichever university you study, like you will find field areas and basketball courts, badminton courts, table tennis courts, and everything you need for your extracurricular activities. So let's have a brief tour around. Like you can here see, this is a basketball court, and all international students and all Chinese students can utilize these spaces for their extracurricular activities. So let's go inside and see whatever is inside. The basketball court area, and along with it is the badminton court area. Let's go there as well. this is the Southern Medical University badminton court area. So if you like to play badminton, so definitely you can utilize this space. And this is the field area. Here you guys can play football, futsal, and even you can arrange a pitch for yourself to play the cricket here. See, there is a stadium as well. Like if there is a university competition or national competition, like whatever competition is, so university organizes this space to organize the competition here. And around the field area, you can see the mountains, and the weather of Guangzhou is like very beautiful and normal throughout the year. So you can enjoy the weather. You see, families are here. Like these families will be most of the university management or like people working in the university. So some of them stay in the campus. So when ever they feel like they just come here and enjoy the weather as well. So now let's move forward and see what else is here in Southern Medical University. Let's go. Campus is so beautiful. And along with the badminton court area, this is the table tennis court area. In all my videos, I always tell my audience, like Chinese people love playing table tennis. They love playing ping pong. So in Chinese, we call table tennis ping pong. So let's have a look here. Like students here are playing table tennis. So if you like table tennis, so don't forget to come here. If you are studying in Southern Medical University, okay? So please have a look. So now let's move forward. This is the indoor gymnasium of Southern Medical University. So if it's cold outside, if it's raining outside, so you can just use the university indoor gymnasium for your extracurricular activities. So these are the badminton courts, and on my left side there are the table tennis courts. Right now nobody is playing table tennis, everybody is playing badminton. So let's just walk around and see how does it look like. See, it's so beautiful around here. There is a competition going, like three people. So just let them play and we move forward. This is the gym of Southern Medical University, and students studying here can use this gym for free of cost. Like you don't need to pay for any monthly or annual subscription. And see, you can see the treadmills, weights, and all kind of equipments here. So if anybody is gym lover, they can utilize the free service of gym of Southern Medical University. This is the beautiful lake of Southern Medical University, and the weather is very nice today. You can just see people around there. They are like fishing and enjoying the weather and enjoying the beautiful scenery of the Southern Medical University lake. See, this is so mesmerizing. There is a walking track around the lake, and let's see what people are doing here. There is a person standing there who has a fishing rod, and he's waiting for a fish. Like, let's see what's inside. Chali mayo yuma. Yawa. Ha ha. Oh, they already catch some fish. Like. How come? So the people here are just enjoying, chilling, and enjoying their day. See, so beautiful. Now let's move forward and see what else is here in Southern Medical University. These are the dormitory sections of Southern Medical University, and I just saw a beautiful view from the dormitory section. And see, this is the Guangzhou city, and let's go to our room and see what are the facilities available for the students. Like these are all the dormitory sections, and this has so many floors. So let's go to a room and see what we can find here. Right now we are in the rooms of Southern Medical University, and you can see here are 2 beds for 2 students, and this is the 2 study room, and one study table is here and another study table is here. So if you want to do the self-study, or you just want to do your homework or study whatever you want, each student can use its own study table. And moreover, there are like 2 cupboards. Like, let me show you the cupboards, and there is also an attached washroom. These are the 2 cupboards in which you can just put your clothes, and this is the washroom section, and washrooms are same like all over the world, okay, so I don't need to show you that. And this is the balcony. Like if you do your laundry or wash your clothes, you can just hang your clothes here. So let me show you outside here. You can just see the city, and at night it would be more beautiful. Okay, so if you plan to study in Southern Medical University, you guys have seen almost everything, and rooms are quite big and it's very comfortable, and it's all dependent upon you. Like if you keep your room neat and tidy, then you will feel good. If you don't keep your room neat and tidy, then it isn't a good thing for us. Okay, so let's go outside now. This is the auditorium of Southern Medical University, and right now some students are preparing for their maybe cultural activity or like any other activity. So this is the auditorium. How can? So let's go forward and see what else is here. Let's take some reviews about Southern Medical University from the students who are currently studying in Southern Medical. Okay, so along with me is Afifa, and another student is Eman, and they both are currently students of Southern Medical University in first year. So let's just ask them in a casual mode, like how is the Southern Medical University? Would they recommend other international students to come to Southern Medical Universities? And what other things would they like to tell us about this university? So Afifa, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So Afifa, would you like to tell us how is the faculty in Southern Medical University, and how is your study experience in Southern Medical University?
Yeah, sure. The faculty there is so good, teachers are so cooperative, they teach in a very good way.
Okay.
And mostly their English is so good.
Okay.
We can understand each and everything.
Okay.
And overall the campus life here is so good.
Okay, so do you like Guangzhou city? How is the city?
Guangzhou city is so big. It's actually a business hub city.
Okay.
And there are many opportunities here. We can go anywhere and go to many restaurants and enjoy there.
Okay.
And the city is so beautiful.
Okay, so would you recommend other international students to come to Southern Medical University?
Yeah, sure, 100% we would recommend them to come to Southern Medical University. The university is so good. The teachers are so good. The teaching method is so good.
Okay.
Like we can take 100% knowledge from this university.
Okay, so Eman, let's ask you about how is the campus life? Are there any kind of cultural activities, or are there any extracurricular activities for international students?
Yes, there are a lot of activities for the international students. Actually, there are a lot of nationalities. Many people came from Iran, Pakistan, different countries. So in here, there are a lot of functions, extracurricular activities, cultural events. So this university is 100% recommended for all of them that they come.
Okay, in your class, what are the total number of students, and how many nationalities are there? Like, how many are from Iran? How many are from Pakistan? How many are from Bangladesh? Like, just briefly let us know.
It's like more than 100 students.
Okay, more than 100 students.
Yes,
okay.
Most of them from Iran, from Africa, from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh.
So actually it's multicultural classroom.
Yes.
So if in a classroom there are a lot of nationalities, definitely every student get to learn a lot more than that. Because Iranian students get to know more about Pakistani students. Pakistani students get to know more about the culture of Bangladesh. Bangladesh students get to know more about Africa. So it's like a cultural harmony. and they even try to learn some languages of other nationalities. So it's like a quite of fun, right?
Yes.
So Emma, please let us know, are there any kind of scholarships for international students?
Yes, there are a lot of scholarships for the many students. In our batch, also a lot of students got 10,000 scholarship.
Oh, perfect. 10,000 RMB
Yes,
scholarship.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So what's the criteria to get 10,000 RMB scholarship?
It's so simple, like you have to be full on your attendance, 80% attendance,
Okay.
and you just pass all your exams
Okay.
smoothly, and be smooth to management, be smooth to
Okay.
your classes, pay attention to your studies normal, then you will get the scholarship.
So
And
that's very unique thing because like she's saying, if you are a student of Southern Medical University and you just keep attendance more than 70% or 80%, like
70.
whatever the requirement, and if you just pass your exam more than 60 or 70%, and if you fulfill the criteria of the university, you have the good behavior in the university, you don't break the laws of the university, so you can get 10,000 RMB of scholarship and a lot of other scholarships as well, right?
Yes.
Like, are there any kind of CRship scholarships or cultural activities or extracurricular
If you
activities?
take part in academics department, media departments, a lot of departments are here.
Okay.
So if you want to join them, you will get a lot of scholarships there, and they will pay you for the floor monitor, class monitor, a lot of other stuff. So you just have to be smooth to your studies and smooth to your behavior and totality.
Okay, so that's fine. Thank you very much. So guys, if you want to study in Southern Medical University, we visited all university today. We showed you the gymnasium, library, classrooms, playgrounds, and dormitories. Also chit chat with the students. So if you like to study in Southern Medical University, please do contact Intern Study Advisors. We will make sure like your admission process goes smoothly, and everything will be quite cooperative, and we will cooperate with you whether you are from Iran, from Bangladesh, from Africa, from Pakistan, or whichever nationality you have. Okay, so if you have any further questions or any queries, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can see numbers of our company on the screen, or if you have any other query, please do mention us in the comment section. So we'll meet you in another university, give a complete tour of another university, so that if you want to study in China in top medical universities, either MOE English medium listed universities or either MOE non-listed Chinese medium universities, our company will facilitate you throughout the process. So thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.